Hey guys, I thought I would give you a little bit of a video of how to do this lab. I thought that might be helpful. So here's how you do it, the specialized cell lab. As the steps say, you're going to use the microscope slides. They're at the front of the room on my, on my desk. There's the slides you need listed here, and there's also some you can choose from as well. What you're going to do, you're going to insert a picture of the cells that you find right there. You're going to tell me in this box, where is it located? Either in the human body or another animal's body or a plant or something. So for example, red blood cells, you could put veins and arteries. Sorry, that's kind of messy, but you get the point. Then the function or the job. So what does this cell do? All right, so for red blood cells, it carries oxygen to the muscles and the rest of the body, and it carries that oxygen from the lungs, and it carries carbon dioxide back. All right, so that's what it does. And then this last column, how is it specialized, is tell me, looking at these red blood cells, what's special about their shape that allows them to do their job well. So for example, red blood cells, they're round, they look kind of like a jelly donut, they're smooth. That allows them to go through the veins and arteries easily so they don't get stuck on things. You wouldn't want them to have spikes and things that let them stick to other blood cells, because then they can't flow through. So you're going to do that with all of these cells. The intestines, you can use stomach instead if that's the only slide you find. Then, there we go, there's the second page. There's 4 that are your choice. You can choose different cells to look at. There's a whole assortment up there. Then at the end, just what are 4 things you learned from this lab? Tell me, what are 4 things you learned about cells or found interesting? And after you're done with that, go ahead and submit this. Due on Friday is going to be the POGL and is also this lab, but you will also have some class time to work on this. So today for the block period, work on the POGL with your lab group, work on this lab with your lab group, and then Friday we're going to do the notes that we were going to do today, but also you'll have some time to work on this. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I hope this is helpful, and make sure you guys are good for the sub, okay? All right, have a great day.